Hate crimes are nothing new, but in a post-social media world, they are more visible. Whether it's the video of a woman stepping in to stop racist comments on the subway, or photos of Build a Wall spray-painted on school grounds. Organizations like the Southern Poverty Law Center have reported an uptick in bias incidents and hate crimes since Election Day. Did Trump incite this behavior? Did his election simply bring this to the surface? Hate crimes are and have been a national problem and often go underreported. The federal government has some data, and so do civil rights groups, but there isn't one reliable central place collecting this information. That's why ProPublica launched Documenting Hate, a website that collects and verifies reports to create a national database, and we are one of the media partners in this effort. Scott Klein from ProPublica says a host of victims and witnesses have yet to come forward to tell their story. Documenting Hate is one step toward creating the kind of large-scale database that will help society tackle the problem in a data-driven way. So this is when you come in. If you've experienced or witnessed hate crimes or harassment, report them on the database. ProPublica will collect the information, but it will not report it to police or share it without your permission.